These two are common for UVM. And
Okay.
class producer, this is a producer. Okay, it is uh,
Okay.
it is creating factory. UVM blocking transport port. Okay,
Okay.
hash int comma int, which means two variables. Port int data 12, int data 0. Okay, two variables.
Okay.
Function new, input string path producer, UVM component null. This is a constructor. This is a constructor. This is a build phase creation. Okay, port equal to new port. Uh, this is this task main phase UVM phase rise objection this. Uh, Again in this port transport data comma data port transport, we need to use the transport keyword. After that tick UVM info prod $s format data sent percentage 0d data receive data's data. These two values will store in percentage 0d and percentage 0d. Data center data receive. UVM9 verbose. Phase drop objection. We are dropping the phase here. End task. End class. Class consumer extends. UVM consumer. Actually consumer class data have 13. Data have 0. UVM blocking same thing. UVM function same thing. Same as above. See virtual function transport. In input int data, output int datas. Datas equal to this dot datas. UVM info. S format. This is info statement like a display statement. Environment. Class environment. Environment means see in our architecture. See environment means in the environment what are all the things will sustain? Sequence item, sequencer, driver, monitor. These are all will be there. But here there are no such things. Here only producer and consumer. So their instance we need to uh, consent for producer and consumer. C. Okay. Okay, Neha.
Okay.
Producer and the consumer. After that, creating what is this called? Constructor. Here creating a build phase with the C and P. Okay. Create C this, create P this. Virtual function void connect phase. Connect phase here we are connecting P dot port dot connect equal to C dot imp. Imp means implementation. Okay, this port we are connecting P dot port connecting to seed. C dot implementation. End function. Class test he class test. Okay. See in test environment will be there. After that here also in test also we are creating this constructor. After that build phase with the environment we are building a build phase environment env colon type id colon create e is in double quotes comma this. Okay, module test run. See in module only one thing is there, initial beginner begin and end, test run. Success. Data received 12, data received 13. Okay. These two lines are same for UVM. Class producer extends UVM component. Uh, Pick UVM component details. Producer, UVM analysis port, hash hint port. Okay. Here we will learn
Okay.
how analysis port will work. Analysis port means what? What is the difference between TLM ports and analysis port?
And like analysis port is just like it will like broadcast. Analysis
Very good.
port will
Very good.
broadcast.
That's it. Okay, leave it. Int data 12. You are too sharp here. A function and you are also practicing, it seems, right? You are practicing, right, daily?
No, I didn't get time to practice it daily, but once the class gets over, I will get more time to practice.
Okay. Function new. Input string path, producer, UVM component parent null. Okay. This is one constructor. This is build phase. Okay. This is the main phase, task main phase. Okay. ఇక్కడ UVM analysis port. Okay. Int comma consumer one. This is consumer one. Consumer one is created. Okay. This created a constructor. Then this will be like a build phase. Virtual function and write. Class consumer to extends UVM component. analysis port into consumer 2. Okay. This is consumer 2. This is constructor. This is like build phase we are creating. Function. This function void right function. This is the right function. This is method, right method. Okay. This will be created. UVM environment class. In environment, producer P, consumer 1 C1, consumer 2 C2. This is like constructor. This is build phase. Build phase for we are building for all the for see first here we are building for the consumer 1, consumer 2 as well as producer. We are building phase. Virtual function. Okay. This P port connects C1 dot input. P port connects C2 dot input. Producer is connecting to C1 and C2. Class test extends UVM test. UVM component utils test. Environment E. Function new equal to input spring path. Test UVM component parent null. Okay. After that virtual function void build phase. This is build phase. So we are running the test in module. See. Neha,
Yes.
after half an hour we connect. I am getting headache so that I'll
Okay, okay,
okay after this program. Okay.
okay,
I thought of sleeping and calling afterwards, but you only called me.
okay,
See, we are connecting producer with consumer 1 and consumer 2. That's what uh, that's what analysis means. Analysis means broadcasting, sending to many, not one to one communication. See, data received 12, data broadcasted 12, data received 12. Once it is broadcasted, two times it is consumers were uh, producer broadcasted 12, consumers both consumers received 12. Okay,
okay,
okay. We will connect after half an hour or 40 minutes. I'll call you. Okay,
okay.
okay. By anything you wanna ask, Neha, anything you wanna ask?
No, no, no. We can connect after half an hour.
Okay, thank you.